I ran over to the pool to do my exercises, and then this happened. Okay, well, I made it to the pool. I'm getting ready to get in and do my exercises. Thank God they still have it open today. I can't believe it with all the smoke and stuff. I mean, it's awful. And the winds have really picked up, and I was watching the news. Over 800 homes burned in Spokane, and they're really worried because the winds are picking up. It's going to be 100 degrees like almost tomorrow, and the winds are picking up, and that's what they're worried about, those winds. And so are we here. But anyway, I'm going to get in the pool. Remember that cortisol makes you fat. Don't stress. Sorry. Okay, you guys. I got my workout in. I'm leaving the pool, and I ran into somebody. I'm really excited to see her, Miss Lola.
Hi, I used to be Debbie's caregiver, and I was in the pool, was going to do my laps. I was a little late, and I kept looking and thought, that's not Debbie. Well, I kept looking, and then she said, are you Lola? And I thought, yeah, I'm Lola. And then I looked at her again, and I said, I didn't say anything. And then she goes, I'm Debbie. And I thought, no way. She had lost a lot of weight. I think I seen her last year. She's doing amazing. I cannot believe she don't even look the same. She looks younger, and she is younger than me. And I am totally amazed. Keep going, girl.
I'm going to. Thank you so much. It was so good to see you,
Oh,
Lola.
you
really
look
was. Thank you so
good.
much. Most people are scared to get on camera, so I appreciate
Oh, God,
her.
I just thought, oh, please. Ew.
So I'm home from the pool now. I'm sitting here relaxing, looking back on running into Lola, and that was amazing, running into Lola, because it was like 3 or 4 years ago, 4 to 5 years ago. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry. 5 years ago that she worked for me, and that was when I was still about 280 pounds. I still hadn't got my new knees. I was doing everything I could to get down, to get those knees. I was really working for it. And I had her working for me, helping me get to the pool and physical therapy, doctor appointments, things like that, so I could lose the weight, do everything I could to get strong and get my new knees. And so, yeah, it was amazing running into her because, you know, like, I've lost over 100 pounds since she worked for me. And I was in the wheelchair and hunched over a walker or something, you know, and I do look completely different according to everybody I run into. So that was amazing, made me feel so good. I swear to God, it happens to me all the time now. People are just shocked. Well, everybody just never thought I'd get out of that wheelchair. They thought the same thing as I thought. It's impossible. She's stuck there forever. She's never going to change. But it did. And you can too. We all can. We all can. Follow me on my school. Join me in my school membership. I would love it if you would join me in my school membership. Link down below where we are working together to as a community to encourage each other to get stronger after 60, get the extra weight off that we have, build muscle, build mindset, and just work together as a community to encourage each other, because we are stronger after 60. We're stronger together as a community. We're always, this whole world, we're stronger together. This is Debbie Garcia, the badass baby boomer. I lost 240 pounds, got 2 new knees, did a year of physical therapy, and no more walker, no more wheelchair, no more excuses.